Happy Friday, my friends! TGIF, this has been the freaking longest week of my life. Like, I worked so much. I had so many back-to-back meetings. I was very stressed this week. And as I always say, I know I'm so blessed to have a job, but man, I am just ready for this weekend. I just went on a walk, took a shower, and now I obviously have a face mask on. I'm going to drink a smoothie. This is actually a coffee smoothie. I know it's green, but that's because I put a handful of spinach in it. Arbonne's new coffee flavor protein is amazing. Like, it's my favorite. I freaking love it. So, coffee smoothie right now. Oh my gosh, how is it already 6? Jeez Louise. Anyway, I am about to get ready once I take this face mask off, and I'm headed to my friend Josh and JP's tonight. We're doing one last, like, friend party hurrah thing before all of California reshuts down, because tomorrow we have a curfew starting at 10 p.m. So, but we've all been hanging out like every day anyway, so it's like the same people basically. But we just won't get to stay up late together from here on out. So yeah, it'll be a fun night, and then tomorrow I'm going on a hot tub boat, and then I also have a Friendsgiving planned Sunday, so it's gonna be a super fun weekend. Good morning, it's Saturday. Yesterday was actually so fun. I think I got home around like 1:30, but I left my car at Kate's, so I'm Ubering to that right now. Gonna do that, and then get my eyelashes done. And then this mother freaking hot tub boat. I'm so excited, but also so tired. I did not sleep well. I had some vivid ass dreams though.
A ranger's home is the forest, a sailor's home is the sea, a whiskey glass, a hooker's ass, that's home sweet home for me. Very tight.
Tianna, what are you doing?
Every time my boobs are looking for us, gives us bananas. I don't know why, but they do.
I love it. What's your yellow band
This
from?
yellow band is from when we went to Malibu and went on the wine hike with the giraffe. Shout out to Haley.
Zach, what's the lineup?
We had a couple of these.
Pasta, vegan pesto, sauteed kale and onion, the best vegan nuggets you ever had, my amazing Mediterranean bean salad,
Amazing.
and roasted potatoes with rosemary and thyme.
slept in and I got ready, and now I am on my way to my friend's for her birthday brunch. I am so tired, but I love her, so I want to celebrate her for sure. Plus, I love birthdays, so let go.
Happy birthday, dear Christiana. Happy birthday to you. This is so cute.
It's not that bad. Happy Monday, actually. I realized that I never wrapped up my vlog yesterday. I actually fell asleep at 7:12 p.m. last night and stayed asleep until my alarm this morning, if that tells you how exhausting my weekend was. I keep saying I'm gonna have a chill weekend, and I keep having super fun weekends, which I don't regret, but I should probably calm down. Saturday was such a good day though. We were literally just planning on doing the hot tub boat and then having like a chill movie night after, but we were in just like such high vibes after and having so much fun together. Zach literally cooked us an entire feast. We started playing beer pong and inviting some friends over and stayed up too late, of course, but it was so flippin' fun. I'm glad I did not go all out yesterday though, Sunday. I only went to Christiana's birthday brunch celebration for a couple of hours, but then I knew that I needed to get home and chill and go to bed early. So that's exactly what I did, and I am refreshed on this Monday. But I'm gonna sign off here, and I will see you guys next video. So thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.